Old Skyscraper, 51 Virginia. Old Charlie saying good morning.
Hey, Charlie, is that you? Hey, 5-1, is that you in the break?
Yeah, it's me, Skyscraper. If I can get over them boys playing the music. Hey, good morning there, Skyscraper. Old Charlie saying hello.
Oh, good to hear you. Hey, 5-1. Boy, I came out here a few minutes ago. I hear nothing but a bunch of music, and every now and then I heard somebody pop in there, but sure it's good to hear you in there, 5-1. How you doing there, Breaker?
Hey, we're doing fairly good there. Hey, Skyscraper, got an old headache today, but if a head like mine didn't hurt, there'd be something wrong anyway. But hey, we're doing pretty good, Roger.
Roger, doing good, man. Well, maybe Mother Nature straighten up there, Charlie. Ain't too good right now, man. But I hear you in there. Hey, 5-1. You're the only one I hear in Los Angeles there, Breaker.
18-4 was about the same on my end there. Didn't have no conditions at all, and all of a sudden somebody hit a switch and it popped in there. But shoot, I got you from up there in the strawberry, sounding good this way.
Oh, hell, well, that's good news. Hey, 5-1. I've been running this small station for a while now, man. My little 250B, so I'm about to get you where I fit in there. Hey, 5-1, good to hear you. Well, I hope so. Got home early today on my side, so maybe we get a little bit of talk time in there. These big boys on the west side let me do some talking there, Breaker.
Hey, Roger, yeah, we ain't had no conditions there, but it all come in there all at once. But hey, you sounded good. And, shoot, maybe you'll get to enjoy your radio today there. Got home early, that sounds all good. But hey, right now you're all I got my radio, man. Got you up there just sounding real good. Hey, I got it all, Skyscraper. Yeah, it's got it rolling up and down, but hey, Skyscraper, get that old coffee brewing and I'll drink a cup while you're making yours. I got it sitting here. Take care of Skyscraper. Me and this Folgers coffee sitting back.
All right, hey, 5-1, I think I heard you that go around, man. Hey, 5-1, I think I heard you in there. Somebody's definitely playing some music out here, so I got some white noise, a lot of music, and you're the only one I heard this morning. Hey, 5-1, I'll put on you when I can. And I hope old Mother Nature let us do a little bit of broadcasting today. Take care, 5-1. We in this whole small station in California. Hey, Charlie, have a great one if I can't get it back today. Skyscraper wave and getting on down.
Got it all, Skyscraper 51. We'll catch you a dab later. Hey, Skyscraper, old Charlie sitting back. Take care.